Exercise 16. If root of x plus y to the power of 3 is 64 and x plus y is greater than 0, what is the value of x plus y to the power of 1/2? Okay, so here I'm going to use this property, the one that converts a radical into a power. And based on that, we know that the nth root of x to the power of p is equal to x to the power of p over n. This means that I'm going to start from the given equation and I will write it as x plus y to the power of 3 over 2. And why 2? Because we call this a square root simply because here it's supposed to be number 2. So x plus y to the power of 3 over 2 is equal to 64. Now, I'm going to use a second property of exponents that says that a to the power of n and all that to the power of m is the same as a to the power of n times m. This means that x plus y to the power of 3 over 2 can be easily written as x plus y to the power of 1/2 times 3 equals 64, which means that this can also be written as x plus y to the power of 1/2 and all that to the power of 3. And why did I write it like this? Because now I can easily see that the x plus y to the power of 1/2 is isolated here. So, even though I will not be able to find x and y separately, I will be able to find the x plus y to the power of 1/2 because I know that, assuming that this is u, I know that it's the value, the cube of which is equal to 64. And this is obviously equal to 4 because 4 times 4 times 4 is actually equal to 64. So, overall, the right answer for this question would have been that x plus y to the power of 1/2 is equal to number 4.